Get ready, because what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. The legendary Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is back for 2026. And it's not just a throwback, it's a reimagining of a classic icon that once defined style and sophistication in the automotive world. This new model captures the essence, the original, while propelling it into the future with cutting-edge technology and electrifying performance. The moment you set eyes on the 2026 Karmann Ghia, you'll be captivated by its sleek aerodynamic silhouette, where it stays true to the timeless design language that made the original so beloved. Those smooth curves, the low-slung stance, the iconic wraparound chrome accents, they're all here, but refined and modernized. The front fascia sports a minimalist LED lighting signature that gives it a futuristic yet familiar face. The subtle creases along the hood hint at its performance capabilities, while flush door handles and frameless windows elevate the elegance to another level. Around back, the slim LED taillights stretch wide, enhancing the car's planted stance, and the integrated spoiler whispers of sportiness without shouting about its slip inside. And the interior is where Volkswagen truly blended heritage with innovation. You're greeted by premium sustainable materials throughout, vegan leather seats with diamond stitching that nods to the past, a minimalist dashboard dominated by a curved glass display that merges the digital instrument cluster and infotainment seamlessly. Ambient lighting, customizable in countless colors, bathes the cabin in a soft glow and sets the mood for any journey. And the steering wheel, a two-spoke design with subtle chrome touches that feels both retro and futuristic. Beneath all that beauty lies serious engineering power. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is offered exclusively as an EV, powered by Volkswagen's latest MEB Plus platform. Dual motors deliver a combined 335 horsepower, rocketing this stylish coupe from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds. The battery pack offers an impressive 375 miles of range on a single charge, with ultra-fast DC charging. Gives you 200 miles in just 15 minutes, whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising the city streets. The Karmann Ghia feels planted, agile, and confident thanks to a low center of gravity and precise steering. But it's not just about performance, safety, and tech. Take center stage 2. Car comes equipped with Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive system, offering Level 2 plus autonomous capabilities. This means adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and even hands-free highway driving under certain conditions. There's also a 360-degree camera system, an augmented reality heads-up display that projects navigation and safety info directly onto the windshield, making every drive feel like something out of a sci-fi film. What's truly remarkable is how Volkswagen has honored the legacy of the original Karmann Ghia while creating a car that feels so forward-thinking. Enthusiasts will appreciate the subtle nods to history, like the chrome window surrounds the script badge on the rear decklid, and even the optional two-tone paint schemes with contrasting roof colors which hark back to the golden age of automotive design. And for those who want to make even bolder statement, Volkswagen is offering a limited heritage edition finished in a stunning deep emerald green with gold accents and unique interior details, designed to celebrate the original 1950s model. When you take it all in, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art. It's a statement that style can coexist with sustainability, that nostalgia can live alongside innovation. It's the kind of car that turns heads at every corner, sparks conversation at every charger, and reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. So whether you're a longtime fan of the Karmann Ghia or discovering this legendary nameplate for the first time, the new model promises to stir your soul and make every journey memorable. The legend has returned, and it's more thrilling than ever. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Would you put the 2026 Karmann Ghia in your garage? Is this the perfect blend of past and future? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because we've got so much more automotive excitement coming your way.